Hi everyone, my name is Amy Liu. Welcome to my channel, Lius Estate. The whole purpose of this channel really is to show and broadcast my journey on becoming a new entrepreneur and a new real estate investor. I want to show all my struggles, my wins, my loss, on how I become financially free. The whole purpose of this channel is to really show the world that first generation, any of us can really become financially free if we just keep going and never give up. My life purpose is to create more entrepreneurs so we can get out of the rat race and show the next generation how to survive. If you want to follow me along this journey and how I become financially free, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell.